guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another base box charm, and today we're going to be unboxing and trying on some of July base box charm. And I have this beauty here, and they have so many amazing products here. So first, if you're new here, hi, my name is Paula. This is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do lifestyle beauty reviews, everything beauty kind of video. If this is the kind of video that you like to watch, I invite you to look around. I hope you enjoy my channel and stay, enjoy the family. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'd like to say thank you so much to my subscribers. I love you guys in my back. Thank you for coming back and supporting me. I appreciate you guys a bunch. So let's dig into this box before the video don't get so long. First, I'm gonna go one by one with the products and the prices, and then afterward we're going to be trying them on. All right, so let's do this. So the first thing we have here, we have the little card, and July Boxycharm is FantaSEA. That is the theme for July, which is nice. So the first thing here on July Base Box Charm is going to be FantaSEA Whipped Greens Oil Free Foaming Cleanser, and this cleanser is amazing. We're going to use today, and you guys are going to love as much as I do. And that is the beauty here. A oil-free foaming cleanser that draws out dirt, oil, and impurity caused by pollution. This soap-free pH-balanced formula is infused with purifying moringa and papaya. Helps clean pores and surface residue, while sodium PTA helps replenish skin hydration. Amazing. And this beauty retails for $28 if you guys like to give them a try. So next product in July Base Box Charm is going dermelect. I think that's the name. Sorry if I'm butchering. Cosmeceuticals, outcrease, retinol, trifecta serum. Okay, I'm sorry if I butchered the name. This is the serum here. Dermelect outcrease successfully target the look of fine lines, wrinkle, thick skin, and sun damage. Hydrous formula features 3 tremendous effective form of retinol, active in concentrate micro encapsulated delivery system. Amazing. Tails for $39. Good price for serum that promises a lot, so excited for this. The next product here is gonna be Generationskincare hydrating marine algae on the eye patch, and we do try this today in camera. Marine algae is straight from the sea skincare savior, dense with vitamins and mineral, proteins, and essential fatty acids. Well, applies to the delicate skin around the eye, helps to firm, smooth, and plump and bright like nothing else. Used for dewy, fresh looking pamper. And this set retails for $49, which is a good. So yeah, I'm excited for this. The next thing here is going to be M2UNYC makeup blending sponge set. And here's the sponge set. I do have them out of the box because I did use 2 of them on this makeup, so they work amazing. They look super cute. These a collection of 4 super soft latex free 3D makeup blending sponge in a variety of shades to help you achieve the exact look that you've been dreaming of. No need to worry about patches, foundation, lines, creasing. These retail for $20. This is amazing. $20 for a sponge, definitely is worth it. The last is going to be the Billiondollarbrows Brow on Point micro pencil, and I am using today the one that I have on is in the shade taupe. So the one that I'm using today is in the shade taupe. Billiondollarbrows Brows on Point micro pencil brow precision. When precision matter, this brown on point micro brow pencil will help you to get the look you want. This precise brow pencil features a thin tip to cover each and every hair with the color you want, and create a hair-like stroke or a natural looking brown. And this retails $16, which is a great price for a brown pencil, and works really amazing, and I really enjoy this. And this was all for July Boxycharm Base Box. So the first product from July Boxycharm that we're going to be trying is gonna be this FantaSEA whipped greens oil-free foaming cleanser with moringa. And so let's try this. Can't believe this is oil-free. Actually, I have a nice creamy formula.
It smells really nice.
I'm going to wash this off and I'll be right back with you guys. So, alright, so I'm back. The skin is feeling very clean. So next product we're going to try is going to be this dermelect. I think that is the name, I'm not sure. And this is outcrease retinol trifecta serum, and that's what the serum look like. I'm all for a good serum. Feels really gentle on the skin. Really nice. I'm really looking forward to using this because the skin feels really pretty with it on. It's very soft, very gentle on the skin. I'm looking forward to keep using this. Next product we're going to try, it's going to be this Gen Skin, I think that's the name. And this is a hydrated marine algae eye patch. So I have here the mask, and this comes with 30 pairs of eye patches. I really love this stuff. If I wake up one day and feel tired, these eye patches where I go. And I like that actually have a little spatula here if we pick it up the product. So the next product on July Boxycharm is this brown on point waterproof micro brown pencil. I'm going to be looking down my mirror if I'm not looking silicone. The brown pen work beautiful. Yay, I'm excited. Last but not least in today's Boxycharm is this cute little set of makeup sponge from Makeup Blending Sponge Set. They are super cute, so I'm gonna be using these in my makeup, and I told you guys how they perform when I come back.